before the video starts, I want to talk to you guys about a broker I recommend. It's called WEBULL. It's my favorite app to trade stocks with, and honestly, guys, I tried a lot. I've tried a couple, and WEBULL is very helpful. It's made for beginners. It's made for experts. You can use charts. You have everything there. You have, for the people that know more about trading, you could add MACD to it. You could add SMA to the charts. You could read the RSI. So there's a lot of interesting things. It's one of my favorite mobile app brokers. And it's one of my favorite in general. But I definitely recommend using WEBULL. And if you click on the link in the description, you get 2 free stocks and I get 2 free stocks. So it's a win-win for everyone, like they say. So please, with that, I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, make sure before you use WEBULL, you have a referral link. So there'll be one in the description. And anyways, yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about some of the hottest things going on in the stock market right now. But first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. YouTube is and for entertainment purposes. That's really what YouTube is. So please be safe with your money. Don't invest just because I'm saying this. In the end of the day, I'm not perfect. I can't see the future. I do make money out of the stock market, but I don't see the future, and I also lose. So I'm not a perfect person. Please be careful with your money. Okay, so first off, we're going to be talking about EV, electric vehicle stocks. Personally, I've invested in a couple, but there's some others that I might even consider investing in. We're going to talk about some of the hottest ones. First off, I'm going to talk about Workhorse. A lot of people criticize Workhorse because it's a pretty slow, it's growing pretty slow right now. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. If it's slowly decreasing, then yes. But if you look at this chart, there's a lot of bullish signals. You look at the MACD, you look at, the RSI, you look at all this, you look at the candles, the moving average lines. Workhorse is actually pretty bullish right now. So it might be a snail, but hey, if you make money, doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you make money. Just look at this chart. It's definitely starting to build some bullish momentum. And who knows, hey, it might just randomly rocket. However, with Workhorse, remember, they're still trying to get a contract signed. So I'd be careful until they get their contract. If USPS gives them the contract, then boom, this thing's going to the moon. To the moon. No more snail. This is a rocket. This is a cheetah. I don't know. This is a Lamborghini. But yes, Workhorse is a stock that I like. Be careful with some other of the stocks, some other EV stocks, such as Candy. Candy did have a little bit of a recovery today, but overall, it's still kind of bearish. Candy was going pretty well before its earnings report, and now that happens. So please be careful, because a lot of these EVs are having their earnings reports this week or even next week. So please be careful with them. Okay, Candy is one that I like, but at the same time, I'm not too sure if right now is the moment to invest. We also have FUV, an EV stock that isn't talked about too often, but if you look at the chart, the MACD and all this, it's indicating a lot of bullish momentum. So FUV might actually be one of the next hottest EVs, at least for this week and parts of next week. However, I'll be careful because of this. A lot of this upward momentum is probably due to the earnings report coming out on the 16th. So You know, I'll watch out with that, see what happens. You know, if we get good news during earnings report, then this is going up. If we get bad news, probably going down. So please be careful. You know, and maybe you don't even want to hold this. Maybe you just trade it through earnings report. Because at the end of the day, a trader, you know, it doesn't matter if you're swing trading, day trading, or if you're investing. You know, as long as you make money, you make money. It doesn't matter. You don't have to hold a stock for years, months. Hey, you could just literally make money before earnings report. If you're, you know, if you're up like, let's say 10, 15% before earnings report, then hey, you could sell. You could sell. So FUV is going to be another good EV stock to play with. You know, in terms of the future, you know, long term, I'm not sure. There's too many things, and it's not just for FUV, but for all of them, including Workhorse, even Tesla. You know, Neo is another really hot one right now. But yeah, as to what's gonna happen in the future, we don't really know. You know, a lot of this upward momentum happening lately, it's due to people assuming Biden's gonna be the next president. And you know, I know, I understand what's going on with the election, but technically Biden's not officially president yet. You know, and there's also no guarantees he is gonna help EV. You know, he's promised, but there's no guarantees. So you know, so we'll wait on all that. You know, I'm not trying to get into politics, but we'll wait on what happens with Biden and how he affects the stock market. You know, personally, I think Biden will increase EV stocks a lot. You know, renewable energy. You know, those stocks could potentially go up if Biden does become the president and, you know, signs his green deals and all that. So it's interesting to see what happens. You know, all right, guys. That's pretty much it. That's all I have for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and keep trading, guys. You know, I'm actually a college dropout. You know, this might not be my full-time job, but I make money off of the stock market, and you know, it's crazy because you know, a couple of years ago I was a college dropout. You know, I didn't really know what to do with life, and hey, here I am. I'm enjoying trading. Honestly, it's crazy to think about it, and I'm just saying this because honestly, if I did it, you guys could do it. You know, you don't have to drop out of college. You know, none of that. But like, if I did something, I'm not special. I'm not this genius. I'm not like a Bill Gates or whatever. You know, something like that. But if I did it, you guys can too. Guys, I just want you guys to stay positive because I know the stock market is very frustrating. There's a lot of depressing moments. I've been there, you know, and I really hope all of you guys achieve your dreams, make whatever your dreams are with the stock market, whether it's just to make an extra income, a full time, or I don't know, maybe you want a Lambo with this, but I know you guys could do it. You just have to set your mind into it, control your emotions, you know, try to stay positive. If you have a bad day, you have a bad day, you know, try to release it which whatever way you can, you know, don't go crazy with and go to the bar and, you know, get a bunch of drinks, but don't do something like that. But hey, if you need maybe one or two drinks sometimes, hey, that's life. But stay positive, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.